Hello everyone, and welcome to another Tech Deep Dive. Today, we're exploring a feature we all use but may not fully understand, airplane mode. Is it really a battery saver, or just a myth? Stick around as we uncover the truth, with expert insights and real-world tests. First, let's define airplane mode. When activated, it disables wireless transmissions like cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. This is done to prevent interference with airplane equipment. But the question remains, does this have any impact on your battery life? To understand the battery-saving potential, we spoke with Dr. Tech Savvy, a smartphone engineer. Dr. Tech Savvy. Turning off these services reduces the strain on your battery by minimizing signal searches, which are known power drainers. When it comes to battery usage, enabling airplane mode can indeed make a difference. Let's explore this further. Battery savings with airplane mode. Airplane mode disables all wireless communication methods on your device, including cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. In testing, it was found that airplane mode caused battery levels to drop by only a few percent over a 4-hour period. In contrast, a phone without airplane mode enabled saw its battery drain by up to 10% during the same time frame. 1. On average, airplane mode can save you about 8% of battery compared to using your device without it. 2. Why is airplane mode necessary? Regulations in many countries prohibit the use of devices that transmit signals on commercial aircraft. Phones and tablets constantly communicate with cell towers, which can interfere with the aircraft's systems. Airplane mode prevents this interference. Even if you're not flying, enabling airplane mode can extend your device's battery life as long as you don't need any of the wireless radios. 3. Remember, airplane mode is a handy feature for conserving battery life, especially when you're not actively using your device for calls, data, or other wireless functions. Many believe airplane mode is only useful while flying. Let's bust some myths and see if there are other benefits. We conducted an experiment to see how much battery life you can save in a day with airplane mode on. Here's what we found. Airplane mode is a handy feature on your cell phone. Here are some tips for using it effectively. Save battery. Turn on airplane mode to conserve battery life, especially when you're running low and don't need to be connected. Avoid distractions. Use airplane mode to block incoming calls and notifications when you need to focus or sleep. Faster charging. Your phone charges faster when it's in airplane mode because it's not using energy to search for signals. Travel convenience. When flying, switch to airplane mode to comply with airline regulations and still use your phone for offline activities. Reduce radiation. Airplane mode minimizes radiation exposure from your phone, which some find beneficial, especially overnight. Do you use airplane mode often? Have you ever noticed a difference in your battery life using airplane mode? Drop your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. Beyond airplane mode, there are other ways to extend your battery life. Let's go through some top tips. Offline navigation. Download maps for offline use while in airplane mode to navigate without using data. Privacy. Use airplane mode when handing your phone to someone else to ensure they can't access the internet or receive calls, messages. Data management. Turn on airplane mode to avoid accidental data usage when you're close to your data limit. Better sleep. Reduce interruptions at night by turning on airplane mode to prevent notifications and calls. Avoid roaming charges. When traveling internationally, use airplane mode to avoid accidental roaming charges. Safe for kids. Enable airplane mode when giving your phone to children to ensure they stay within safe offline content. Enhanced focus. Use airplane mode during work or study sessions to eliminate distractions and improve concentration. Here are some more top tips for using airplane mode on your cell phone. Listen to music. Download playlists or albums beforehand so you can enjoy your music without an internet connection. Read offline. Save articles, ebooks, or PDFs to your phone to read during flights or in areas with no connectivity. Play games. Many mobile games work offline. Make sure to download and install them before turning on airplane mode. Privacy. Use airplane mode when handing your phone to someone else to ensure they can't access the internet or receive calls, messages. Expert interview. So, is airplane mode a battery saver? According to our findings and expert opinions, yes, it can significantly help, especially in situations where signal strength is poor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insightful tech content. Sharing this video helps us bring more great content your way. Thank you for watching Airplane Mode, Battery Saver or Myth. Remember, every small setting adjustment can lead to better battery life. Stay curious, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next one.